that you've practiced your double crochet, I'm going to show you a slip stitch. Now this is a really useful stitch for joining pieces together, and we'll be using it in our project in this module. So to do a slip stitch, it's really quite easy. You insert your hook into your stitch through those 2 loops, you yarn over, you pull through the stitch, so you've got 2 loops, and then you pull through the other loop without wrapping your yarn around. So insert in, wrap your yarn 1 time, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. So you've got 1. And this is called a slip stitch, and you can use it to move where your hook is. And this will be really useful in our granny squares. And you can see that it's kind of putting it onto the front of the work, the stitch. So this is used in quite a few different ways, but it's a really handy one to learn. So just have a practice and see how you get on. So one more time, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. And you can do it into that last chain as well if you're having a go with your double crochet swatch that you made in the previous video. There we go. And you can see it along the front, but it's not very visible, so it is a handy one for joining and moving the hook along to a different spot, and I'll show you what that's going to look like in the next video.